In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate habit tracking in Trello. This process will make managing your habits much simpler by leveraging the power and flexibility of Trello's features. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up Trello in your web browser. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to select your preferred login method. This could be through your email, Google account, or any other options that Trello offers. Once you're logged in, navigate to your existing Trello board or create a new one if you haven't set it up yet. This board will be where all the magic happens for your habit tracking. On this board, we're going to organize our habits using lists. Each list represents a different stage or category of your habits. For instance, you can use list titles like Habits to Track or Daily Weekly Habits for those you're actively working on. You might also want lists for In Progress or Doing to track what's currently being worked on, and ones like Done or Completed for habits you've accomplished. Now, for each habit you're looking to track, you'll want to create a new card within the appropriate list. Let's say one of your habits is Read a chapter of a book. Create a card with that title and consider sticking to a consistent naming convention to keep things organized. On these cards, add details like due dates, labels if you want to categorize them further, and any additional descriptions to make the purpose clear. Next, it's time to harness the power of automation. Navigate to the Automation section on your board and start by selecting Create Rule. This is where you customize how Trello will handle certain actions for you. Begin by choosing the event that will trigger the automation. It could be something like moving a card to a particular list, adding a label, or completing an item on a checklist. Once you've set a trigger, you'll specify the action that should follow. Options include adding a checklist to a card, assigning a member to a checklist item, or setting a due date. You can enhance this further by personalizing which lists, cards, or members the rule applies to. This flexibility is what makes Trello such a fantastic tool for habit tracking. Finally, let's talk about the Repeat feature, found by opening the detailed card view of your habit card. Click on the Repeat or Repeat Card power-up and configure the recurrence to suit your schedule, such as daily or weekly, or even on specific days. Specify where you'd like the recurring cards to appear, such as in the To-Do list or your Habits to Track list. By following these steps, you'll have a robust system for tracking and managing your habits with the efficient use of Trello's capabilities. And that's it. Now, you're ready to simplify your habit tracking with this automated process.